Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix that computer screen turns off after so many minutes. So let's say that your computer screen turns off really fast, or like, I don't know, 5 minutes, and you want to change that. So what you want to do is pretty straightforward. Go on a bottom to search, then right here in a search control panel, open control panel. When you're going to be here, click under mouse power options, and then you can have the balance and recommended here. To get here, you need to go view by large icons, power options, choose when to turn off the display, and then turn off the display after like whatever time you want. Never or 15 minutes, 20, like you choose it. So this is pretty much it how we do it. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.